Check out my cute peach stationery.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart.
This is my peach glitter notebook.
Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
You can use these labels on notebooks.
With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe
I will decorate these labels with stickers. I made these easy peach pens. Cute confetti scale. My little peach sharpener. Peach eraser. Let's make peach diary. Take a pink or peach sheet and fold it. Now fold pages for the notebook. Take a piece of eraser and place it under the sheets. Open the stapler like this and staple exactly on top of the eraser. Take out the eraser and fold the pins carefully. Do similar step on the other side too. Now stick the pages on the cover sheet.
With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me,
Take soft plastic sheet and fold to make a packet. Fill this packet with glitter and seal. Make peach drawing and cut it. Paste this glitter packet on the back side. Outline for highlight. Make some leaves and stick.
Silent nights recalling you.
You can also make cute face for peach emoji style. My peach notebook is ready. Draw your favorite peach drawings.
I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
Cover them with tape. Let's decorate peach pens. Make peach pattern on this paper.
I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing,
Take a pen and roll this paper.
like the nights are never ending. We will live the life, we will live the life, live the life, we will live the life in the fast lane.
Take a piece of paper for cap. Now give a peach color boundary. Next, we will make cute peach for decoration. Now, we will make peach confetti scale. Take a plastic sheet and fold from center. Use cello tape to stick the bottom. Use colored paper to close the sides. Mark the measurement. Now fill with paper confetti. Make cute peach for decoration.
Settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scenery.
And do not forget to close the other side.
Of what you need. Let's explore the world.
My
we
peach
see.
scale is ready.
All the
Let's make
dangers
cover
have
for
been
decoration.
laid up. You
Make some beautiful
believe what
boundaries.
they say. Through the heartache,
I have made this simple peach pattern.
No invasion today. We've come this far, through wind and rain alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
Take an empty matchbox. Cover all sides with paper. Cut the extra part. Cover other part with seed sheet. Make cute emoji face. Cut the extra part to insert pencil. If you don't have hot glue, you can use baby glue. My sharpener is ready. Take the sheet and fold for equal parts. Cut all the parts for smooth edges.